The Quonset hut has been around since World War II. 170,000 of them were built during the war alone. Lightweight, self-supporting, deployable in days. After the war, the military sold its surplus to the public, and farmers, ranchers, and homesteaders have been building with them ever since. But here's the question. Nobody in the Barndominium space has seriously asked yet. What happens when you stop thinking of a Quonset as a single linear structure and start arranging multiple Quonset sections in a ring, facing inward, so that the curved forms surround a central courtyard? What happens when the Quonset becomes a donut? And I've been thinking about this for a while. Because the answer is potentially the most thermally intelligent, structurally efficient, spatially extraordinary courtyard home available in steel construction. Here's the whole argument. If you want the design concepts that nobody else is connecting the dots on, subscribe to Barndominium Haven right now. Hit the bell. Stay till the mistake section, because the error that turns this concept from extraordinary to expensive is a single decision most people make without realizing it. Let me give you the real picture first. A Quonset hut is a lightweight prefabricated structure of corrugated galvanized steel with a semicircular cross-section. Semicircular, that's the key word. Not rectangular, not flat-walled. A curved arch, spanning from the foundation on one side, over the apex, to the foundation on the other. The arch design gives you a 100% clear span interior, with no posts, beams, or trusses in the way. The curved shape distributes snow and wind loads across the full arch. The curved shape distributes loads across the full arch. That's the structural intelligence that makes the Quonset so remarkable. No single point bears a disproportionate load. The arch transfers everything continuously to the foundation. And in 2026, Quonset Barndominium starts with an arch-style steel shell that you finish into a home, workshop, or live workspace. Every building carries a 25-year, 6-month limited warranty against rust perforation, backed by the steel mill. Real warranty, real structural performance. Real kit availability right now. The Quonset system combines roofing, structural, and wall systems into one unit. One unit, structure, roof, and wall, all in one curved panel system. That material efficiency, roofing, that is simultaneously the structural system and the exterior wall, is the economic foundation of everything I'm about to describe. Let me build the picture precisely. The standard Quonset Barndominium, the one currently being built and documented in 2026. A Quonset hut Barndominium with a white stucco exterior, curved roof forms, and sleek windows. It includes a matching detached garage that connects to the home through a covered breezeway. That's the standard approach. One primary Quonset structure, one detached garage Quonset, a covered breezeway connecting them. Now the design evolution I'm proposing. Instead of two Quonset structures connected by a breezeway, 4 Quonset sections of equal length, each one a curved arch, arranged in a rectangle, end walls of adjacent sections connected at the corners so that the 4 curved arches face inward, surrounding a central enclosed courtyard. From above, the building traces a rectangular ring, but instead of 4 flat walls, 4 curved vaulted sections whose arch apexes point inward toward the courtyard. The courtyard is surrounded not by flat walls, but by 4 concave curved surfaces, each one curving inward toward the courtyard's center. That's the donut. Not a perfect mathematical circle, a rectangular ring of curved Quonset sections. And the implications of those concave surfaces facing the courtyard are genuinely extraordinary. Here's the insight that makes this concept more than just unusual. In a standard O-shaped Barndominium, 4 rectangular wings surround the courtyard. The courtyard-facing walls are flat. Flat walls reflect sound directly across the courtyard, bounce heat back and forth between opposing surfaces, and don't focus airflow or light in any particular direction. In a Quonset Donut courtyard, the courtyard-facing surfaces are concave curves, and concave curves do something that flat walls can't. They focus. A concave surface reflects sound waves toward the focal point of the curve. In the courtyard, the center of the space is acoustically enriched. Sound from plants moving in the wind, water features, conversation, reflected and concentrated toward the center rather than scattered away. More importantly, concave surfaces facing a courtyard reflect thermal radiation toward the courtyard's center. In winter, the 4 curved sections of the Quonset Donut, receiving solar radiation on their outer faces and radiating stored heat from their inner curved surfaces, concentrate that radiated warmth toward the courtyard center. The courtyard is not just enclosed, it's thermally focused. Let me give you the engineering argument. Because the Quonset Donut has structural advantages over a standard O-shaped barndominium that go beyond aesthetics. The curved shape distributes snow and wind loads across the full arch, and we engineer every building to the snow, wind, and seismic loads calculated for your zip code. Each Quonset section distributes its load continuously along its arch and transfers it to the 2 foundation points at each end. In a rectangular ring configuration, the connection points between adjacent Quonset sections at the corners are where the arch's transferred loads are resolved. Specifically, the horizontal thrust of each arch, the outward force that the arch generates as it transfers vertical load to its footings, is opposed by the adjacent arch's horizontal thrust pointing in the perpendicular direction. The 4 arches in the ring configuration resist each other's horizontal thrusts at the corner connections. They're structurally bracing each other, which means the corner connections, instead of being the most vulnerable points in the structure, are the points where the 4 arches achieve structural equilibrium. This is not a theoretical claim. It's the same principle that makes Roman arches in a rotunda structurally self-reinforcing, and that makes the circular courtyard structures of the ancient world still standing after 2,000 years. Curved structures in a ring configuration reinforce each other. Here's where the Quonset Donut's thermal performance becomes genuinely compelling. The Quonset's arch geometry, the fact that the roof is simultaneously the structure and the exterior wall, creates a specific thermal condition that flat-walled buildings don't produce. The arch apex, the highest point of each section, is where hot air accumulates. The design provides clear instructions for attaching sheetrock and leaving space for electrical and mechanical systems. And in a Quonset Donut, the arch apex of each section faces outward, away from the courtyard. That means hot air accumulating at each arch peak is on the exterior face of the ring, naturally venting outward through ridge vents at each apex, rather than accumulating in the courtyard. The courtyard receives the cooler, lower-level air from each section, not the hot apex air that conventional courtyard buildings trap between tall, flat walls. And the stack effect, hot air rising in each curved section, exiting through apex ridge vents, creates a continuous low-pressure zone at the courtyard level within each section, drawing cooler courtyard air into each room through the courtyard-facing openings. The courtyard air, pre-cooled by the shade of the surrounding curved sections, is continuously drawn into the rooms by the stack effect in each arch. Natural ventilation, continuously operating, driven by the arch geometry and the apex vent positions. No mechanical fan, no electricity, just the thermal physics of 4 curved arches arranged in a ring. My favorite feature, the concave ceiling of each section facing the courtyard. Here's what I mean. In a standard Quonset interior, The curved ceiling curves overhead from one side to the other. It's beautiful, dramatic, spatially unlike any rectangular room. The sweeping curved roofline adds a bold aesthetic while maximizing interior space, and large windows flood the home with natural light. Now take that curved ceiling and flip the orientation. In a Quonset Donut, the curved ceiling of the courtyard-facing section curves overhead, but the concave side faces the courtyard. Standing in the living room, looking toward the courtyard, the ceiling curves upward and over you, and then the arch continues down to the courtyard-facing wall, which is also curved, concave toward you. The room wraps around you. Floor, curved ceiling, curved courtyard wall. One continuous curved surface, enclosing you on three sides, with the courtyard open in front of you. It's the spatial experience of a cave with a garden view. Protected, enclosed, oriented. And when you step into the courtyard, you look back at four concave curved surfaces surrounding you, all curving toward the center, all oriented to you from every direction. And the spatial experience is unlike any courtyard a flat-walled building can produce. You're standing inside a bowl, held by the curves, centered by the geometry. That's my favorite feature. The mistake. Making the courtyard too small relative to the arch span. Here's specifically what happens. Each Quonset section in the ring has a specific width, the span of the arch, which determines how much floor area is inside the curve. Narrow arch span, say 20 feet wide, leaves a large courtyard relative to the ring's depth, but the arch only rises to 10 feet at the apex, which means the courtyard-facing wall of each section is relatively low. Low courtyard walls, as the WWII research showed, can't create adequate shade or stack effect for the courtyard. Wide arch span, say 40 feet wide, gives deep, generous rooms, but the arch apex is now 20 feet high, and the courtyard, to maintain reasonable proportions, needs to be at least as wide as the arch, which means a minimum 40-foot courtyard dimension, producing a total building footprint of 120 by 120 feet or larger. That's a large building, a large foundation, a large cost. The sweet spot, 30-foot arch spans, producing a 15-foot apex height, with a courtyard of 30 to 40 feet across, total outer footprint of 90 to 100 feet, giving you ring depth, courtyard proportion, and arch height, all in reasonable balance. 30-foot spans, that's the number. Go narrower, inadequate stack effect. Go wider, footprint becomes expensive. 30 feet, the Quonset Donut's design sweet spot. Real numbers. 2026 mid-cost markets. Quonset Donut Barndominium. 4 30-foot span Quonset sections, each 50 feet long. Ring configuration. 90-foot outer dimension. 30-foot central courtyard. Approximately 2,400 square feet of conditioned ring area. Quonset kit materials. 4 curved section kits. 30-foot spans. 50-foot lengths each. At $14 to $28 per square foot for materials. $33,600 to $67,200 for the 4 kit sections. Corner connection engineering and custom fabrication. The 4 corner conditions where adjacent Quonset sections meet require custom-engineered connection details not in a standard kit. $18,000 to $28,000. This is the most significant cost premium above a standard Quonset build, and the one that requires an experienced fabricator. Structural engineering, ring configuration analysis, corner thrust resolution, arch load verification, $6,500 to $11,000. Foundation, continuous ring footing for 4 arch bases, plus courtyard slab, $32,000 to $48,000. The ring foundation is more complex than a standard slab. 4 separate arch base conditions, with lateral thrust management, at the corner connections. Closed cell spray foam. Interior of all 4 arch sections. Spray foam on curved surfaces requires an experienced applicator. $24,000 to $36,000. End wall construction. At each corner between adjacent sections. Framed with steel, glazed or solid depending on program. $16,000 to $26,000. Ridge vent system. Apex vents on all 4 sections for stack effect operation. $8,000 to $13,000. Courtyard development. Concrete paving, drainage, vegetation. Central water feature. $18,000 to $32,000. Rough-in plumbing. $18,000 to $26,000. Rough-in electrical. $15,000 to HVAC. 4-zone mini-split. $14,000 to $20,000. Septic. $10,000 to $16,000. Well, $8,500 to $13,000. Interior finishes. All 4 ring sections. Curved wall drywall. Flooring. Kitchen. Bathrooms. $36,000 to $56,000. Note: curved interior drywall costs 25 to 35% more per square foot than flat wall drywall. Budget for it. Contingency: 15%. $40,000 to $62,000. Total realistic build cost: $297,600 to $476,200 fully finished. Mid-cost U.S. market, 2026. Per square foot of conditioned space, approximately $124 to $198. That's competitive with a standard O-shaped barndominium of equivalent floor area, with the Quonset's curved structural system reducing the kit cost per square foot significantly, offset by the corner connection engineering premium and the curved surface finishing costs. And what you get for that number? A structurally self-reinforcing ring of curved arches, a thermally focused courtyard, a natural ventilation system driven by the arch geometry, and an interior spatial experience that no flat-walled building at any price produces. Here's my honest assessment of the Quonset Donut Barndominium. It doesn't exist yet as a named, documented, widely built configuration. I want to be clear about that. What exists are Quonset Barndominiums being built right now in their traditional linear form. Eric and Carolyn purchased 40 acres of raw land in central Texas and eventually stumbled upon Steelmaster Buildings, hiring builder Barney Reynolds with Round Top Home Builders to assemble their dream home. Real people, real builds, real 2026 projects, and the structural logic, the Quonset system combining roofing, structure, and wall in one unit, the arch distributing loads continuously, the clear span interior with no posts or beams. We engineer every building to the snow, wind, and seismic loads calculated for your zip code. All of that is verified, buildable, and available today. The donut configuration is the logical next step, taking a structural system that's been proven for 80 years and arranging it in the spatial configuration that 3,000 years of courtyard architecture has proven most effective. Curved sections, ring arrangement, concave courtyard faces, apex ridge venting, thermal focusing. The structural case is sound. The thermal case is sound. The spatial case is extraordinary. What's needed is a fabricator willing to engineer the corner connection details between adjacent Quonset sections, which is the specific structural engineering challenge that doesn't yet have a documented solution in the residential market. That's the honest frontier. But the principle, the Quonset Donut as the ultimate curved courtyard home, is real. And I think it's the most genuinely original barndominium concept available in 2026 for someone willing to be the first to build it right. Subscribe to Barndominium Haven. Tell me in the comments, would you build this? And what would you do with the courtyard at the center? I want to know. And I'll see you in the next one.